Welcome to our travel vlog, where we take you on an adventure to the diverse and beautiful country of Angola. Located in southwestern Africa, Angola has a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and a unique history. In this video, we'll explore the best of Angola, from its bustling cities to its natural wonders. History and culture. Angola has a fascinating history, shaped by colonialism and a long civil war. Our first stop is the National Museum of Anthropology, which tells the story of Angola's diverse cultures and traditions. Here, we learn about the country's indigenous tribes and their customs, as well as the impact of Portuguese colonization. Next, we visit the historic city of Mbanza, Congo, which was once the capital of the Kingdom of Congo. The city is home to impressive ruins, including the Royal Palace and the Cathedral, both of which offer a glimpse into Angola's rich past. Natural wonders. Angola is home to some of the most spectacular natural wonders in Africa. Our first stop is the Calandula Falls, one of the largest waterfalls on the continent. The falls, which are over 100 meters high, are a stunning sight to behold and offer plenty of opportunities for hiking and photography. Next, we head to the Namib Desert, which stretches across the border with Namibia. The desert is home to some of the most unique landscapes in Angola, including towering sand dunes and bizarre rock formations. Cities and cuisine. Angola's cities are a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. Our first stop is the capital city, Luanda, which is known for its lively atmosphere and beautiful beaches. We explore the city's historic landmarks, including the Fortaleza de São Miguel and the Mausoleum of Agostinho Neto, Angola's first president. Next, we try some of Angola's delicious cuisine, which is a fusion of African, Portuguese, and Brazilian influences. We sample traditional dishes such as muamba de galinha, chicken stew, and kalulu, fish and vegetable stew, which are bursting with flavor and spice. Wildlife. Angola is home to a rich array of wildlife, with many species that can only be found in this part of Africa. Our first stop is Kisama National Park, which is home to elephants, giraffes, lions, and more. We take a guided safari tour to get up close and personal with these majestic animals in their natural habitat. Next, we visit the Kwikima National Park, which is located near the coast and is known for its diverse birdlife. The park is a popular spot for birdwatching, and we're lucky enough to see species such as the Angolan pitta and the Narina trogon. Beaches and water sports. Angola is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Africa, with crystal clear waters and pristine sand. Our first stop is the stunning beach at Baía Azul, which is located just outside of Luanda. The beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing. Next, we head to the Cabo Ledo Beach, which is a popular spot for surfers. The beach has some of the best waves in Angola and attracts surfers from all over the world. Festivals and celebrations. Angola has a rich cultural heritage, and its people love to celebrate with music, dance, and food. Our first stop is the Luanda Carnival, which takes place in the weeks leading up to Lent. The carnival is a colorful and vibrant celebration of Angolan culture, with music, dance, and elaborate costumes. Next, we visit the Angola International Trade Fair, which takes place every year in Luanda. The fair is a showcase of Angola's industries and is a great place to sample local products and meet people from all over the country. Accommodation. Angola has a range of accommodation options to suit all budgets. Our first stop is the Talatona Convention Hotel, which is located just outside Luanda. The hotel has a range of amenities, including a spa, a gym, and a restaurant serving delicious local cuisine. For those on a budget, we recommend the Casa Rosa Guest House, which is located in the heart of Luanda. The guest house has a homely feel and is a great place to meet other travelers. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on our Angola adventure. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the diverse and fascinating country of Angola with us. From its rich history and culture to its stunning natural wonders and delicious cuisine, Angola is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.